national but tuchumangu league nizo kutuma volleyball nkomuzano gwatunguka hata wazo mu western yes western osokungambira uti ari western league nachi then waza football raliha kabaraliha are they zinamani mingi kugira ngo nzibasa kutekaho feeding let's say national team ekore kurunje umunonga compared much as football we are not going far but the efforts is bakute kom football nziba kuteka volleyball
tiona budget Edwin
Kasima Chunga never in compared to never in actually compared to football. So I think we need to change that one. Kujirangu omuzano gwona actually zinyonja akona negari.
It goes back to federations. Federations.
Ndio bomba kwa ta big share lion share bajikwata wajeza football. Not bad. What the echiwa simukomba kora egumeyo that big share. Konkabo jeza budget generally.
No, what are the federations doing? Abokuba wakureba you talked about the National League. Hamwena Western League. Kare. Western League area hamain raho muri mbarara. They attracting Western teams kana zonche. So abgachi federation ya volleyball, federation ya basketball, federation abukwa nangwa no Western batanchire basketball league, federation ya cycling, ejemzano yona batakwate mzano bakajiha Kampala bakajitwara chimwe omuri buri region hamwe na districts nicho chikuza kwera omukutunguka kwejemza
kasata mbajitwa bata budget etaro. It's impossible, so you are asking them echugumira kitakubaska abo kuba hati bagirete bata nojyangu izite bag ogisere bag noza kwata bag ote muskari otambure nayo
fufa nayo kabanza ya introducing a structure then budget nayo yijabwa
budget kagaberuka because akatanka mabanza urebe akabanza nubutwa kuzumu muri government ya Idamin dada bakabine regional kare kare obiro bwa mini bitari bya structures zitwezi so kan government ekezitamu
obusenta bukubaburuho no baburi buce obuko running administration work butari bwo running leagues nebindi
ekongati sinaro bakomba ko etanka infrastructure because tubakazana tine chai atisi waza bwizbwera arecha icyumpira nimbia waza rwinde arecha icyumpira waza rwanyamahembe arecha icyumpira waza rwarire twine bwashe echayitu so ebintu bikugamba nebikurebeka hati nabwe basketball volleyball abwache bitakurebeka nuko bitari ya mutindo ogwabazungu konkabe bya available so that it gives an opportunity abantu becyaro
abana amashomero gona actually wakore clubs nkeza nemo na sports zone aiba kwihaba zantu babiho mu mashomero
kasatu munore ateje efforts nezishomero
babasa kukozesa for the start bakozesa bishayi ebibyo mpire bakore courts kongano kujangu bo federations tizira aha ground kujangu babase kuteka structures eziri
ate kibakora nyo because nkarara obemba kora debate ya sports buriya so federations have been presidents baka complaining kano chimanya right from the boxing kuchira chimuna na cycling kukwanoga
muhanjo so muhanji well turionto muhereza credit abwa wake yari yonakora but here in Western nichechero
they are underfunded ati nchoda ati uchakora na zaka ati na zaka Kampala one despite kuja mu budget nakache konka I never sponsors usually sponsors at the headquarters they are easier to get than in the regions.
Why can't we have some of the matches za Champions League ya boxing because nindeba rings neza UBF matches ezo ezimwe bazireto mu Western maybe babakundise babajembu you can start up clubs aboko boxers mu Western Uganda tabaka
kasate njibasa ko kongate cost na bone etambra atumbagire trabusha mbogiteka global so it's important in the bottom line just to have enough budget kujirangu tumaringa sports budget kujirangu no yakwetinga na football if they are taking let's say 20 million aba 20 billion yaba football then nka abandi bineka 1 billion nebatambura at least because we need administration definitely to talk running into teen leadership.
It will always be a song for every day. Sports
But we keep singing one day. Arbaro, arareba fruits.
Okay. KPC yabasa kusinga WDS 3 straight sets. Bariomba zana kuria BK Arena. You've been to BK?
Yeah.
You know
3 times.
Yeah, nanka nejo okwebo nire. GSU ya Kenya yatera KC yamtera nayo almost straight sets. Bario mbajendo misho and Rwanda, because of the good infrastructure na investment eba kozero sport, they are able okubasa hosting such tournaments. Let's hope nitwe ngo the kubasa kuteka Hoima Stadium, kubasa kuboneza echayi cha Nambole, kuboneza echayi cha Anachivuba Memorial Stadium. Maybe in the future we can host continental showpieces. Kale ntwija garuka tumure okache twagaruka ntwija kureba ligi ya Uganda, turebe amicha ya club ya Arsenal ninchichereza ngwade Man City na warajire amtogwechimeza. Arsenal in 5 matches they still stand a chance to win the Premier League. You know teka arichi za Facebook za Twitter otitere teka yawe otakaruga.
Pace. There is no margin for error. So much here is familiar.
Over 1900 games brought us here.
There is not a sporting heat quite like this.
But history doesn't care about the journey.
The Premier League is the best league in the world.
La Liga is far and beyond the biggest winner.
It only remembers how it ends.
You ball it. There's no other word. You ball it.
8 titles. 1 month of mayhem to decide them all.
Outstanding from Patrick Dorgan.
Stay connected and watch DSTV to catch the football season finale this May. It's on.
When you don't use Momo, you are forced to quarrel.
Mama kabalansi? Nkuwaire 15. Mama, nkuwaire 15. Abantu abakulu atandise obuyaayo mwena.
Obuyaayo obuliga.
Iwe.
Ngobiyanko
ba sente dange nizade kolera ngobi nakolera sente dange.
Save yourself from quarreling. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy 0 charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Abana bamaviria.
Edwin Patrick Kabaterine nboine mu program ya Akadirisa munywana wanje Dr. Homuri Sinjo bardachi kana sibika ka message
yana gambira
basingira mu karo
ndawa mu recording nganga mbona ndawa mu recording Evan Z ya ku recording anoje cyo wakore cyamani so azengu tumwetu tugamba hari Man City chances zo kutwara ikikopo kana bwe tumwakoro John Z omundinzi kandi ngukindi tutati kutoka tebura hamwe ina yabire aine akahineki push up akora push ups kezo
kuba asengere asa
baza kusinga Arsenal
even sham shanju gwechero akana ansindikero video
video nandangu zigenda TikTok aburamu so John ronda social media team neza kukora
okoreba program no manya ari abantu abo kuba no moto bakuruga batoke John Z
nangoro toche mugogo akatubiya kumara umwaka gutumure so ati tuzaha antiflora no mucyaro kwisiga
antiflora
atarukubiya orukora buri kimwe
apromisingire ku fundinga team yite yambara City football team erukuzana no mwankore cup
ya district
takubasa kutorugamo
ni deninga district inga City
City konka of course ankore cup in the district
stona deninga district
Elizari empire chateau Mbara City neja kubaneta ya yabujenye kuri ya waneka chai charugogo nek inamani timu ya burijo
teri achikopo kokane makuzana wajishanga chai chawe chechuro Philpomond a stadium Mbara City ya bantu bitu ni timu yitu kokama ngayo nibakachere mazima wakompeninga na nek echamani cyo kwasa kukora nechi bakoze na rules so bakoze 1-1 they can make a drop but I don't see Mbara City kusinga nek
no their recent match was 2-2
I mean draw ya 2-2
draw 2-2 shakateba twice Dixon Changa yarga bench yateba equalizer I don't know why Dixon umwana wisinjiro kuremesa Mbara City
but ni week team week nchuna mante draw bakakoraje by the way it was a good one but they have been losing games
akana jati mukanga
police kabatera
mukamtakundeba
UPDF yabatera naswa tate muna nebi konka Mbara City itage cyo kweta amani kandi kindi abazanira benda cyicukuru cyamani muno ate Mbara City nenda ki Yesu no sakundira ni rwano butasharwa kuturarwa no butasharwa nakubaho ki as a technical team that's what you should look for tukusiga muri kukonka
wazo muhingira ndario team zitakusharwa
emanya ari tuba kugira ngo
Newcastle nenda cyo muri
nakore iki
Newcastle nenda cyo muri
Newcastle bambera ko marayi group ko z'umusarama akatamo sente ba Bruno Gomes mbabasasuraje abona so ba Jolinton mbabasasuraje so ate nabo point shime kuberingu abantu abazana bambara stay mutuyambe mugumo mu league buri munsi akumongeza 20% abana mbakuchukura
Binenek and ahansi or taron orwamani amon twereze table ya UPR aho abantu bagirebe Mbara City eriyomo ready yenyine teams kaben zisharwa hisha kandi as a matter of fact nizo zirga hansi team ya Calvary Buhimba Saints United amwana Mbara City konka ahabwa new reforms what Mbara City ebirerake kujango nibenda promoting 4 teams okurgomo big league so this time chibanchi manisangu UPL neja kuba ne relegating only 2 teams basharaho hasigare 14 teams
14 ndemba etesirias bikumna
munana
but atarutaro byagati ombugufu byagati ya team ya Buhimba United na Mbara City because Calvary yese koze draw away na team ya Shitara but it's not enough kugira ngo tubarasharu
nabura empira mukaga
nabo still tibine man ako atubagira 10 points I think 10 points wa comparing na naba ni 15 yes those about in 3 games konka Mbara City na Buhimba omumurubo naza kushuma konga tshaba kugira ngo Mbara City ebase kona
abwishongemo
ebiti byo kushaba na waka na waka erimo no kushaba no shaba tori umunyadini
No,
don't you believe in God?
At mwana tokaza chayo yemer osinga.
Akungani you believe in God? Because toko yeta apostle.
Kasi tinko yeta.
No yeta apostle.
Ya apostle.
No yeta. You in the church ya apostle. Te no yeta apostle. So ati nobody choose kweta laka kubaho.
But
ati kalake rono jumanya waweza kujigamba.
No iziko mpira gwa akoro.
Lindo kache laka wajikora. Laka wajikora.
Mpira gwa akoro na vera.
Maybe na bisko ebe match fixing.
Vere kakora zinga.
Ejana match fixing.
There is no evidence.
No, in my suggestion,
no evidence produce.
Nete kubero definitely. Nchokura bakaika bakora chi ba punishing. No, but from Barasted, like I'm talking about, like already wajigambire eyokutwara timu zezibiri instead of timu zishatu. Kaza azirishatu yanawaza kuba ne general kare. So there's what they call laka.
Yabo babiri. Gap yabo babiri norengo ni only 2 points. They are separated by 2 points.
But
Barasted zana ataya Vera nyincha karena ataisa
buhimba.
But you never know na basakutera
chigumere nchona jantungo muchogo ko bayine timu ya Barste neki ne basako batera it's okay but sina na Vera etere buhimba so bagwe bagmo mu race
next week Barastain Express Barastain Express, that's also a big match. Buhimba na ija kwa na ataisa Rugazi bargaho Barastain timu ya Rugazi buhimba ataisa Express Zona ntima zibari yomba sharing.
Bishana zona. They do the same. So the difference ya man just look jangu bar one same buhimba yonke only that.
Okay, fixture today UPDF in URA UPDF aheruka ftera ompiro guba suspending John Bosco Karibara. That was 4-2.
Over 1.
Ompira
John Bosco Karibara ningoli.
No, the last game is over teba goals nyingi. John Bosco Karibara akahereza 4 penalties. UPDF agarikira mukuteba goals nyingi. Tera ball 5-2 after so many years.
Na tuza kuvuga kamura mutiza kushisha bwire nyawabo kwa ode nagamba nyawe UPDF yari mu kintu because they have already recorded good win Arman Baraste 3-1 but recording a good win with Bull 5-2 so good to kumbaro mbaksharo. So I've made my statement. It's between Buhimba, Mbaraste, one of them to join Calvary, Bakargam.
Tomorrow, Vida in Buhimba, Vipers in Entebbe, Ahasande, team Chitara in Rugazi, KCCA Calvary, Echikopo, Noshana West here.
Now, what Chiro, Unka Vipers are favorite. Being a 4 points, I think now, advantage. Kandi noreba bine match Entebbe is a strong team, stubborn one. Now KCCA na asapsinga Calvary, bale bakore draw, babuchendeza wikenko muri bubiri. So KCCA chirimu chintu, but Vipers with their squad depth na buchimochona na management na motivation na ningambira kumukusinga nabaza kwa hereza chi. So nindeba Vipers na bwe area chikopo kandi I predict neza kitwara.
Necha hira ne mukunda na atariona ateba.
Necha abona because ya ati yargenyi matina are pressing yo mwanyagwe na mbabateo. So njwesa they are playing as a team.
Europe hari mpira yamana weekend Chelsea in the Leeds. Chelsea binjiro mutende chi Professor Liam Rosnia base kwamba mkwata ahankoma bwo kuba abatakuteba 5 matches, no goal, nothing, totally nothing. I think Chelsea was right kubasa kumubinga bwo kuba really
ngana bakamba chimanya. I think they were buying time uncho bamuretira for short term because akari mu Strasbourg muri Bufaransa but akari junior team. But nore under management ya omugiga wa Chelsea so mjakaro baguza coach ndiza permanent na kuba expensive mid season atungo kushaka mukureto gumwana under management because atogu tubaramungize na mushara nikuwa kugira ngo ati bakuyiha Radio West waza kora bukedi so you know wasakusiga mu same structure orukoramo so bakakireta bakwera rikeramu konka batekeje bakweta benefit of doubt na basakuza bunda koremera
koka
ndidi tumuremere
sente
chimuremere manye
sente ziba kumukita 24 million pounds.
Kana bose nawe nagumari wabo kinkumanya. Yes, I like a girl can come Strasbourg na rumutimo je America je yabo. So tubarambinga munonga mizari.
Kuri ambayindura mu ka contract ka
just kugira ngo nazo mu timu elite yamani munonga iri mu mpaka za iguru. So ni teka we abatari fit for this team ni mtizamani.
Abazani replacement